pagpapalapag po lamang natin sa paliparan ng Maynila, mangyari po lamang na manatili nakaupo hanggang sasakyan ay ganap na nakahinto. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. The time is 25 minutes after the hour of 5 in the morning. And the date today is the 16th of December 2022. Ground temperatures recorded at 26 degrees Celsius or 78.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Please remain seated with the seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt signs are switched off. May you remind you to check areas around your seat for items you might leave behind. For passengers who need assistance, please display land. Our cabin crew and ground staff will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Mark Anthony Fernandez and First Officer William Francis Abo and Second Officers Christopher Sia and Janelle Elias and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po. May remind our passengers to continue to wear your face mask and observe physical distancing during the disembarkation. Please remain seated while waiting for your turn to disembark. Thank you for your cooperation. And your loved ones the comforting spirit of Christmas that will guide you to a brighter new year. May your hearts be warmed this holiday. Maligayang Pasko po from your Philippine Airlines family, the heart of the Filipino, and safe travels to everyone. Cross-check.